Right, so how do we get it open? It's an obvious way. Do you want to see if you can get it open? I think you're going to have to rip it apart. No. It's all too well stuck together. Right, we made progress, we're in. Right, okay, camera, instructions. Memory card. There. Right, have you used a camera before?
No.
Okay. So, starting with this bit,
the
camera is inside, the outside is a waterproof case, so that you can actually use it underwater. All those times you go swimming underwater. Take that off. I would think, oh yeah, it's got a little slidey thing on there. You have to slide that across to release it and then lift it up. See if you can do that. You have to slide it and then lift the front of that. Slide it and lift it at the same time. What you really don't want to do is put your fingers over the front there because you get sticky fingers over there. Okay, now tip it that way and it will drop out. Yeah, got it? Okay, so that's your camera. I would assume it's got no power in it. That's the on-off button. Just hold it in for a few seconds if you watch it back at the same time. Right, so nothing's happening, so we have to put it on charge. Got a memory card, needs a memory card in it. Oh, that little bit you can pull off. That protects the lens while it's packaged. Okay, memory card's going to go in there. It's the same size memory card as you have in a phone. From one end or the other. That little bit clips, unclips. Okay. Memory card will only go in one way round. Don't put your finger on the lens again. Push it until it stays in. If it's too hard to go in, I think push it with your nail. No, you had it right. But you need to push your nail in a little bit just to get it in that extra bit. That's it. Stayed in place. Now we need to put it on charge. So, to put it on charge, put that bit over there first. Lift that up. No, you've got to push that thing on. Right, put that bit over there, and then push it down, that's it. And don't put your finger over the lens. Every time you put your finger over there, you get smudges.
It's good then.
Yeah. Right. Why do you think you put that?
There's no reason.
Okay. And then there's a charging place over there. Yeah, and one of them. Okay, just leave it. Did any lights come on anywhere to indicate it was charging? Yeah, there's a red light on the back. Look. There's a red light there. You see it?
Yeah.
So we'll leave that. So what else have we got?
Tripod.
Tripod, one of those bendy ones that you can clip onto odd shaped things. strap. I should think the strap is for either on your head or around your tummy or whatever. And with one of these things.
Mm-hmm. That's probably like.
Yeah, that can go on there. You probably unclip that top piece. There's probably a clip on one side or the other where your thumb is. Push that in, and that'll release it. That's it. And you probably need a screwdriver to do that up tight.
That's tight.
That's it. And then these bits, where do you think you put something like that?
I don't know.
Well, what do you think you could clamp in that and put the camera on top of? Think.
I don't know.
Oh dear. Alright. Probably a clue in the pictures that we covered over. So what's that?
Like a scooter handle
Yeah.
or something.
Or if you have a different bracket, you can stick it on your skateboard or on your helmet. So, these ones, if you pull that white piece off, that's sticky back, so you could stick it on something. And that bit you got down there, once you've got that stuck on something like your helmet, that bit goes in from one direction. So that one would go on there. You do that, screw it through. And to get that off, you've got to squeeze them together to get it off. And what else have we got? Yeah, we've got some various bits and pieces that go together, because that could go in there, and then you could have a double. And that goes to there. Yeah, you've got to get the sequence right. That's it. But we can't do anything till it's charged up, so we'll carry on doing what we were doing before, and we'll come back in a minute when it's charged up.
I didn't expect it to come with a waterproof case.
Yeah, that light on the top isn't the... That doesn't tell us it's charged yet, that just tells us that it's doing something. There's a green light which isn't there yet underneath that tells us when it's charged. Right, that one's not fully charged, but there's probably enough charge in there so that you can do a little bit of video of the sumo wrestling if you want. So, where are you? Come here. Right, come here if you're going to set the camera up first. So unplug it. Right, press the button on the front. You have to hold it in till that comes up, yeah. Now wait a second. Hang on, we've got to do all sorts of things yet before you can do anything. The date is wrong at the moment. Now I think, let's see, if we press that button, and again, and again. Right, now we've got buttons on the side, go down until we eventually get to one that says time and date. Slow down.
Date stuff?
No, not date stamp. Quality, caption mode, sharpness, and right, next one's date and time. Okay, now press that one. Right, now we want 2022, don't we? That's it. Then press that one again. It's 01 is the right month. We don't need to change that.
Right.
Now the date is 29th. Yeah. On top again. Time is 15. 23. Okay. Okay, we won't worry about the seconds. Press it again. Year. Yeah, I think what this is. Why would we want to change that? See what happens if you press an up arrow. No. Oh, I see. So it's changing the order then. So that's actually the one I like. Day, month, year. That's okay. Press top one again. Oh, press the one on the other side then.
So?
Yeah. And again. Because I think we've set the date and time. It's already set to 1080 FHD, which is good recording. And see the green battery? You've only got 2 bars, so you haven't got much battery. So put it in your tripod. Yeah, actually you've got this upside down. Yeah, spin it till it's tight. Yeah, not too tight though. Yeah, that'll do. Now that faces that way. Yeah. That's it. You have to get it so it slots in at the bottom first. So get them to line up, and then that's it. That's clipped in place. Now to actually start filming, let's have a look at the picture. I think if you press that button on the top, it'll probably start filming. So you want it down there somewhere on the floor. Spread the legs out a little bit on the tripod, just so it's stable. And then press the button on the top.
Okay, that's starting to look good.
Okay.
Done there. You go back.
Well, you want to be in front of the camera, don't you? You want to see what it's filming. That's close enough. You'll certainly be right in front of it. Right there should be fine.
You have to do it yourself.
You have to get a bit of a technique up, because I found if I got under his arm, I could tip him. Head on, he always wins. Oh, you got him there. Or you fell over there anyway.
I perfectly good. Tack back to the
Well done.
Nice.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, And down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.